Director Jongga School Ba National Institute of Technology NIT Kabadon Hasait Sopen Sora Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta Ringkat Kiwede Kinohikai Hakajing Kendu Pikilat Patai Khubor Ulay Thu Gani ke School Ba kan sepelong jingelang sam certificate bat penkup burom migi Samla kibala pendep ikjing puli hakilan beper ya kabala tip kum ka convocation ka bakhat ar kaban sepelong hagalai pau tarik mentau banai risau arjar arpusan. Hakani ka convocation, Chairman Barim Jangka Indian Oil Corporation, Shrikant Madhav Vaidya, Unlong Ukongsan, Katba Founder Director Jangka NIT Guwahati, Dhirendra Nath Buraigohen, Unlong Kumusembut Kongsan. Hakani ka convocation kumba arspa asan paungut ki Samla ki bala pendap ya ki degree ha ki subject beper kentup ya shispa asan paungut ha ka BTech, lai punriungut MSc, arpusaungut MTech, but lai punyaungut ki bala pendap ya ka PhD. Professor Pinakeshwar Mahanta ulay thuru kumba ka long menta ka National Institute of Technology Meghalaya ka don ha ka Kyrdan ka ba prapusaw ha pring kiwe pat ki NIT ki badon ha ka lengkari India. Ladaya nujor bat ki badon ha satlak ka perthai ki NIT Meghalaya ka don ha pring ka Kyrdan Shiajar arspa iway shaka khatsan spa naki khatsaw hajar ki NIT ha ka perthai.
We invited you to come here. A little bit of difficulty for you. I know you were engaged in different activities. So anyway, you made it. So I am very much thankful to all of you. This particular meet is to give the basics of the convocation we are going to hold on 30th of October. So this 30th of October is the 12th convocation for our institute. Actually graced by the, I think, former chairman of Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Sri Shrikant Madhav Vaidya, and guest of honor will be Professor Dhirendra Nath Buraigohen, who happened to be the founder director of IIT Guwahati and presently emeritus professor of IIT Guwahati. Then this convocation will be chaired by our Honorable Chairman of Board of Governors, Sri Sunil Alagji. The convocation will start at 11 o'clock and it will be hardly 2 hours. So I invite all of you to attend this and participate actively in this convocation. This convocation will be offering degree to 250 students, including 153 BTech, 36 MSc, 24 MTech, and 37 PhD recipients. Apart from that, 15 medals will be awarded for academic excellence, including 3 female medalists. So that comprises of gold medal for President's Gold Medal, one a Chairman's Gold Medal, then gold medals for the best graduates, like that, and also silver medals for branch-wise toppers. This convocation, before the convocation, prior to that date, there will be a alumni meet in the evening of 29th. That will be also scheduled here. And their alumni will be making a new chapter. And followed by that, there will be one cultural program by our students only. This is in brief that is going to happen on 29th and 30th of October. I'd like to give a glimpse of Institute's activities happened so far. So we have now more than 107 faculty members. Out of that, 75 are regular faculty, remaining are adjunct or ad hoc or visiting professors. Followed by that, we have 332 staff. Out of that, 85 are permanent staff, remaining are outsourced staff. Then we have gradual increase in our student strength. It is more than 1200 now, and we have started with new courses like ZDA nursing certificate course. Then apart from that, MCA, Master of Computer Application this year. Then we are also planning to have some new courses collaborated with NPTI Guwahati, that is BTech and AI, machine learning, that kind of, cyber security. That will be started from July 2019. 26. Apart from that, I'm very glad to tell that the institute has got consistently NIRF ranking for last, I think, 5-6 years. This year,
8 years.
last 8 years, and this year also we are within the 100 in all over India, and our rank was 83. Apart from that, we have first time in the world ranking, world university ranking, we have positioned between a band of 1201 to 1500 band. There are more than 14,000 universities across the world participated. That is a big achievement for us. Apart from that, we got many other awards like Mahatma Gandhi Award for Academic Excellence very recently. Then India Today ranking, which is 56. Then apart from that, our faculty members produced the chips first time, and it was in Indian chip program, which was accluded by our Honorable Prime Minister in Delhi. A semiconductor IC packaging and testing facility also we have created here for certification course. Already one certificate course has been done. This is tuned up with the semiconductor facilities grown up in the country to increase the human resource. Also, we have strengthened the post-fabrication of semiconductor research. Then in academic activities, our Dean Academic can explain in details, but I'm just giving you brief. MTech in Environmental Science already we have started. Then minor degree course in Sports Engineering we have started from last year. Then it is planned to have AI, Machine Learning and Energy System master and minor courses from coming year. Then in research, we have more than 9 sponsored projects during last 1 year, worth rupees 4.9 crores of rupees, and 33 consultancy projects, around 3 crore rupees. Over 300 research papers were published during the year in reported journals and conferences having SCI or Scopus index. And 4 patents are filed by our faculty members. In collaboration, we have more than 14 MOUs we signed in last 1 year with PTB Germany, Technical University of Ilmenau, then IIT Hyderabad, IIT Jodhpur, IIT Madras, and IIM Visakhapatnam, Parul University of Gujarat, Oxford University, and also DotPed Incorporation of South Korea, and STE Meghalaya. Industry collaboration with NPTI already I mentioned, and also with NESHU. And in these collaborations, there is a collaboration between the faculty or scientists of different universities with us. Their students are coming for PhD, so we are having joint degree and we're proposing some joint degree with TU Ilmenau also in Germany. Then we have formed 2 new centers recently. One is Center for Structural Health Monitoring and Infrastructure Development, and one is Design Incubation Center to the tune of startups, entrepreneurship developments. Other research facilities involved and utilization is the Central Instrument Facility and Semiconductor Lab. 3 new computer laboratories with 287 new computers. We have put in 3 different laboratories here in one of the blocks, and that is exclusively used by not only our students, rather some outsiders are also coming and taking part in that, in learning. We have also started one blind center for teaching the blind people with computer. And for that, the Dot Incorporation has given us a product, and we are formulating now. A certificate course has already been given from last year. 8 blind people were given certificates for that, and gradually we are going to take up a group of 10 to 15 blind people or visually impaired people for certification, so that their knowledge in computer will be increasing with artificial intelligence. Student success rate is good. More than 64% of final year student got job. Out of that, 55% student got multiple packages, but they choose only one. They have to choose one, and many companies like Amazon, Microsoft, BPCL, L&T, Cisco, Deloitte, etc. have come to our campus and they recruited. Some of the students got best paper award and gold medals in global competitions very recently. Details are available with us. I can give you the hard copy for that. The package the student got last year is 52 lakhs in 1 year. 52 lakhs package, and average package for per student is 11.75 lakhs. We have also done some outreach activities, and we are obliged to do such work for local growth of the local people under Unnat Bharat Abhijan. We are the regional coordinating institute for Meghalaya, and we are coordinating with all other higher education institutes in Meghalaya. And under that, we have also made a Sitimon Sowain Center for Inclusive Education, where these blind peoples are given training or certification. Also, we are trying to have more and more such things like in the Sela area, we have given a motorized boat, and the local people can fly from other side to this side. These kind of things also we have provided. It is a CSR activities. So overall, NIT Meghalaya continues to emerge as a vibrant hub for education, research, and innovation. Our initiatives in semiconductor design, sustainable development, and inclusive technology reflect our commitment to national priorities and global partnerships. Thank you.
2024 it has been increased to 320, and in 2025 it has increased to 355. So we are also trying to increase the number of students, that is called gross enrollment ratio. So how it could be increased, I mean, within the state. So that's why, I mean, we are proposing some certification course, even some dropout, because all the students, they are not getting scope for their higher educations. Some dropouts are there. So in that way, we have started some GDA courses there under Sitimon Sowain Center. So they will be assisting the medical staffs also, and we have created one laboratory facilities for that also. And even GDA, I mean diploma, that we are going to start, and I'll be inviting you to invite our that new lab also. So this is one, and another also in future, in next year onwards, we are going to start something for the students, those who would like to go for school teaching, but that is under process. So that's why, I mean,
That will be a kind of BSc B.Ed course.
Okay.
Joint course. That will be
NCT approval.
So that is under process, and hopefully it will be done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just to add, I think this
Just
was
like those who wants to go like BA course.
Yes, BA. If they are getting a degree from NIT, that would be very much helpful for them, and we would be able, I mean, teachers will be there, I mean, sufficient teachers will be there within the state. So that is our motive also, and we have made, I mean, local survey also. There is a need of this one.
So my second question is with regards to the chip program. Can you elaborate on this?
Actually, chip program, in every electronics device we are using some ICs. Those are, I mean, black color, those ICs are there. So those ICs normally we used to fabricate it from abroad, mainly Taiwan, USA some, and China also some. But this is indigenously that has been fabricated in our country itself, and that initiative has been taken by the ministry, and we have taken part. Out of 18 ICs are fabricated in SCL Chandigarh, and with the Indian technology and Indian designs, and all Indian scholars and faculties were involved in that designs also. And out of that design, we have, I mean, this is the picture of the design. We have taken part, and you have seen so many ICs are there. Out of this one was the, and you people have covered it, I mean, in your news also, that ministry he uttered 2 times Meghalaya, means yes, from Meghalaya also we can do it. and definitely our students, our faculty members, they were involved. And the IC we have fabricated, that is for cultivation, for agricultural purpose. I mean, that IC, how it will be helpful, it automatically it will be detecting the moisture content within the environment, and as per the moisture content, so automatic watering that is possible. So for any cultivation, if any water is required at any moment of time, so automatically I mean that could be given. So that kind of IC, I mean automation, that we are working on. IC is fabricated, but the next stage we will be taking it further. And Northeast, I mean for the state it is there for BTech program, reservation is there for 50% home state quota that we used to call. And also from our institute side we have made special provision for our BTech students who would like to pursue their MTech program. That also for especially for the local students, we have made the one path that directly they can take admission in our MTech program. So in that way, I mean in 2024 we have created, I mean 14 students in 2024, so 8 students they have taken admissions. So in this way, I mean you have seen here, I mean the placement record is around 65%, but actually total around 90-95% students, either they are employed or they have gone for higher studies. And even out of that, I mean 5% students they already absorbed in our institute itself. And for them also, I mean even from this year we have started MCA program, and the specialty of the MCA program is that even BSc students they can take admissions over there. But now this year onwards we are going to make a huge campaign among all the colleges over there, because BSc, those who are having mathematics at least one course, they can take admissions over there. So it will be a good opportunity for, because many graduate colleges are here in Meghalaya, not so many technical colleges. So how they can come into NIT IIT structure. So that's why I mean we have created this one, sir, MCA program.
Sir,
From that,
before you
and dripping of water to all the rooms because it was never tested. So we have to catch up all those things. And that was one. Second was, I think there's a mindset also. Faculty staff, they have to come here. In Shillong it was very easy to leave. But that mindset has been also now removed. Now people are happy. They're getting quarters, they started staying. But these are a lot of problems we encountered. And gradually, that is the learning phase actually. So after
teething
that,
problems.
These are the challenges.
These are challenges.
We have to overcome.
Electricity was one problem. We have now a dedicated electric line, 95% availability. Water supply also we have created. All those things we have created.
Even we are working on 5G, 6G communication.
Yeah, communication lab also we have having.
Because of rain, as I said, I mean because raindrops are too big. Even communication is a challenge. Is a challenge. We are working with NEHU also to measure those raindrops and how to send those signals so that TV and other mobile signals that can work properly.
Is this part of the research?
Part of research. And we are one of the 100 institutes, sir, in India that we got one project under 5G and 6G, and we have developed.
One second, sir. Can you come again, right in the beginning?
No, we are working on 5G and 6G communications. And under that communications we are working how to increase the communications within the area, because in this area some problems are there because of raindrops, and these raindrops, diameter of the raindrops, that is comparatively large compared to plain areas. So we are measuring this one, and NEHU they are having the instruments also, and with their help also, and we are doing the research how to strengthen the signal under 6G communication, so that I mean mobile communications, satellite communication, that could be enhanced. That we are working on.
Right. Your good name and designation?
My name Professor Anup Dandapa, Dean Academics.